Hi guys, happy Friday. I just wanted to talk to you. I sent you an email about the work that was due today, but I want to talk to you about Monday's work. We've talked about it before, but I just want you to see how we're going to navigate it. So we go to weekly work. We are in week 2, homework due August 31st by 12 p.m. So what will happen is that you will fill in this outline. Basically, you're choosing, do I have a fixed mindset or a growth mindset? And you're giving 3 reasons of support. You will type this in. And you'll follow the path to find 2 mindsets. A use of transitions is found under summary or essay help to help you out. And then you're going to sign up for a conference. So you need to take this link, and I would use Firefox or Google Chrome. And you go to this conference, for example, and you would, like, let's say you wanted to do Monday at 12:50. You'd click on it and click submit and sign up. From there, you would put your name, and then you'd click sign up now. Okay, so everyone needs to sign up. They're 10-minute long, but honestly, I think it'll take roughly around 3 minutes. But make sure that you do that. And then when you are ready for your conference time, you will click on this link like we always do. And it's not going to work right now because we're not there yet. But it will eventually work. And what will happen is, just like you always do, we will get to the collaborate just like that you do in class meetings. Okay, and it's also found under class meetings and conference links. Here's an example of a student outline. So that is the only thing that is due on Monday. It is very important that you come. If you don't come, it's counted as an absence. And also, I just want to be able to give you feedback individually. So if you have questions, always don't hesitate to contact me. And I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Thank you.